Scarlet and Violet base set. This one opens easy. I choose fire. Electric. Een Fuecoco. Drowsy. Nemona. Lechonk. Rocky Helmet. Mabostiff. Miriam. Hypno, reverse hollow. Arboliva, reverse hollow. And a Cloth hollow. I think it's water. It's green again. We have a Smoliv, Primeape, Pawni, Turantula, Kirorato, Crident, Crocodile, Pamno reverse hollow. Oh, Dondozo. And Taquacaval. I think it's fire. We have a Vidocq, a Dedenne, a Pinaco, a Flittelde, Crocodile, Flamingo, Fortress, Magnemite reversed hollow. Oh, this card I want. You have here Penny with the Pikachu.
Oh, yeah.
Backpack. And a Refroom hollow.